surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm starting off with an empty Pringles container. I'm going to be using this line here as my guide to make the first cut. I'll be cutting the other side as well. The goal here is just to cut it into 2 equal parts. They're going to be covered at the back with mirror reflective paper, and the link for this reflective paper will be in the description box below. I measured and cut out the amount that I'll be using to cover the back of the containers. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. When I was done covering it up, I cut out all of the excess paper. And now I'm going to be drawing straight lines inside the cutout pieces. I did not measure this, I'm just eyeballing it and drawing lines that will give me thin strips after it's been cut. From the look of it, the lines are about 1/4 inch apart. I cut out the lip of the container before I started cutting out the strips. This is what they all look like, and for the first design, I'll be making use of an 8x10 photo frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. The frame is going to be turned to the back, and now before I start placing the pieces, I'm going to have to twist them just a little. I'll be starting at this corner here, and I'll be attaching all of the pieces to the frame using a hot glue gun. Now the first set of cutouts are going to be having little twists on them. This is because of the design that I'm making, so the first set has to come with just little twists, and then the second set of pieces will have more twists. Here we have another set, and like I said before, these ones are going to have more twists. When I got to this point, I turned it over to see what it was going to look like, and then I started arranging the twisted strips and overlapping them and then securing it with the hot glue gun. I was overlapping one strip at a time, and I'm alternating it by taking one strip from the left and one strip from the top and then gluing them together. kept doing this till I got to the end, and it kind of looks like hair braiding. Now I'm going to fill up this empty space here. I tucked in the shorter strips to the back, and then the longer one that's here, I'm going to cut it down with a pair of scissors. I then glued them all in place using a hot glue gun. I'll be using one of my molded roses at the tip, and the link for the video on how to make a molded rose using air molded clay will be in the description box below. I got this chain from Joann Craft Store, and it's a leftover from another project, and I'll be cutting just a little bit of it to add to the decoration at the tip. I'm just going to put them in place to see what they look like before I glue them down. Now for this whole project, I used just one large empty Pringles container. I want to make extra designs that'll be by the sides. And to do that, I'm going to be using these 5x7 photo frames that I got from the Dollar Tree. The strips have already been twisted, and I'm going to start by gluing the first strip in the middle. After that, I'll be gluing the rest to give it an illusion like they're all coming from a large spot that's going to be spreading out, and the last two strips will be glued in such a way that both of them are going to touch the corners of the frame. It was looking kind of empty, so I decided to add one more strip here and one on the other side. This is what it looks like. And this is how both of them look like together. And I used one empty size Pringles container for both frames. I'll be attaching string lights at the back to give it a better effect. And the link for the string lights will be in the description box below. I folded a lot of the lights and glued it around this point here to give it an illusion like a ray of light is bursting out from here. And this is what they all look like mounted on a wall. I am so in love with the shine and the uniqueness of this wall decor, and it even looks metallic. So now you know that with an empty Pringles container, you can have an awesome wall decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to like it and then share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.